Show!
Those eggs could be my relatives. And that woman is just gonna fry them alive? Go. I gotta save them. That's all there is to it. That cat is so dumb, it's, what's the word? What does she think she's doing?
Yes? Hello. Yes. This is the Archbishop of Canterbury. I'm afraid I can't make it for brunch today. I'll have to come by tomorrow instead.
Oh, and by the way, when I finally do come for brunch, whatever you do, don't serve me any eggs. Anything but eggs. I can't stand eggs. Goodbye, dear lady. The old Archbishop should be showing up right about now.